Hi, it's Francis again. Today I'm going to take you through how to create a bootable flash drive. This helps you when you want to install maybe Windows or upgrade Windows in your PC, but you don't want to use what disk, this compact disk, and some laptops don't have the compact disk drives, so this could be sometime your best maybe item to use. So if you want to install to create a bootable flash drive, you need three main things. You need a flash disk that is at least 8 GB, has at least 8 GB capacity. And if there is anything in that flash disk, the best thing you should do is try to back it up somewhere, because it gets formatted whenever this happens. The second thing you need is you need to download the Rufus application, that is RUFUS. Then the third thing that you need is you need a disk image file, a Windows disk image file, a file that can be bound to a disk. So once you have these three things, you're going to run Rufus, and I'm going to take you through the the steps that will help you create a bootable flash drive and manage to install Windows in different devices after creating it. So let's look at how we can create it once we have our three items. So let's go through how we can create this bootable USB drive. So like I said before, I need three things. So the first one was the Rufus application, which I have already installed, as you can see on my screen here. So I'll run this, but before this, make sure that your flash disk is plugged in your PC. So I'll run this, I'll double click on it, and then I'll say yes. Once this starts, then I'll have sections here to choose different things. So the first thing is choose the device where I would like to install my so I'll select the flash drive. So I said it has to be around 8 GB of space. That will work. So from this case, I have mine, which is already 8 GB of space. So if you feel like you have a different device, or you might have several devices plugged in, so you just choose the one that you want. Then I'll select a disk image. So this is a Windows installation image that you should have downloaded before, and it must be one that can be bound to a compact disk or a digital video drive or something. So I'll select my disk. So I'll come here and select this, because I had already downloaded mine. So then I'll say open. Then I'll go down to the Windows installation image option. I'll just use the standard Windows installation image. Then the partition scheme, I'll change this to MBR. Make sure you've done that. After that, I will change the volume label to any preferred name that I want. Like in my case, I'll just write Windows 64. After choosing that, the file system, I can leave it to NTFS, and after setting all this up, I can just leave it the way it is and click on start. So I'm going to do that I'm not going to do that in my case, because I already created one for myself. So just make sure that you've chosen the correct things, and as I said, back up any data in your USB drive before running this, because it will get formatted. After that, just click on start and let the application run. It takes quite some time, so don't turn your PC off, just give it time to run. Then once it is done, you just click on close, and you will have created your bootable flash drive. So I think I hope that helps you install your Windows to maybe a PC that has doesn't have a CD drive in that case. So after creating this, you can just install it in different machines or different devices, depending on your choice, be it a laptop, a desktop, or anything where you want to install Windows. So thanks for watching this, and I hope it helps you. I would be much humbled if you clicked on the subscribe button and turned on notification for new videos. Thanks again for watching. Remember to subscribe.